Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the most honest, in-depth beauty reviews. Now, let's talk about something that promises to transform damaged hair into a healthier, more manageable mane: the Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Miracle Hair Rescue. This leave-in treatment claims to work wonders on damaged hair, providing instant, long-lasting repair and protection in just 90 seconds. It's marketed as safe for all hair types, and the promise of a luxury experience is something I'm excited to dive into today. So what's inside this miracle treatment? Let's break it down. The Wella Ultimate Repair Miracle Hair Rescue is a liquid formula designed to repair and protect. It's free from parabens, which is a nice touch for those who prefer products that exclude certain chemicals. One of the standout features is its quick-acting formula, just 90 seconds to work its magic. For those of us with busy schedules, this is a real perk. Now, how does it perform in real life? I've tested this on my own hair, which admittedly has seen better days. After a few uses, I noticed a visible difference. The texture felt softer, and I had fewer frizz issues, something that's always been a struggle for me. The product itself is lightweight, and it didn't leave my hair feeling greasy, which is important since it's a leave-in treatment. I've used it both in the morning and at night, and it performed consistently well. But let's get into the nitty-gritty. The first thing I noticed was the scent. It has a subtle musk, which I personally love, but it might be a bit strong for those who are sensitive to fragrances. It didn't linger too long though, so it wasn't overpowering throughout the day. When it comes to results, I think it's fair to say that this product does deliver on its promise of repair. After just a couple of uses, my hair felt noticeably smoother. It looked shinier, and overall, it seemed healthier. The 90-second claim? I can't say it made a massive difference in such a short time, but I noticed a gradual improvement over a few applications. The long-lasting protection is key here. My hair didn't go back to being dry and frizzy after a few hours, which is a major win. Of course, no product is perfect, so let's discuss the cons. While it works great on dry hair and makes a visible difference in texture, it's not a deep treatment. If your hair is severely damaged, this won't replace a professional salon treatment. Also, if you have fine hair, be cautious with the amount you apply. A little goes a long way, and using too much might weigh your hair down. On the plus side, the Wella Ultimate Repair Miracle Hair Rescue is a solid option for those looking for a quick and easy fix. It's an excellent daily leave-in product that gives your hair a noticeable boost in health without being too heavy. Its formula also works well for a variety of hair types, which is impressive. Now, is this worth the price? For what it offers, I'd say it's definitely a good investment, especially considering the long-lasting effects and how much better your hair will feel after just a few uses. The formula is strong, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution for extreme damage. So keep that in mind. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something that might be a bit more budget-friendly, but still provides similar benefits, there are other leave-in treatments on the market that may suit your needs. Look for products that also promise nourishment, smoothing, and frizz control, as these are the main elements you'll want in a product like this. In conclusion, the Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Miracle Hair Rescue is a solid, high-quality option for those who need a quick and effective fix for their hair. It's perfect for anyone who's dealing with dry or damaged strands, but doesn't have the time for an extensive treatment. If you're looking for something that works fast and leaves your hair feeling nourished, I'd recommend giving this a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I love hearing about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.